Hi, my name is Del, from Future You Success, and welcome to the 40-day Affiliate Marketing Challenge. Which is, can you earn money through affiliate marketing in just 40 days as a complete beginner? Well, let's find out together. First, a little about me. After a life-changing event that ended my employment, I had to quickly decide what to do next. In my late 50s, I realized I wouldn't find a similar position with the same salary. So, I turned to the online world and started affiliate marketing. My experience, starting from scratch, will hopefully guide you to your first commissions online. I began as a complete beginner, not knowing anything about online setups, how to start, or what to look for in opportunities. I made a ton of mistakes that cost me both money and, importantly, time. But every mistake was a learning opportunity. But, whilst I make money today, and enjoy a good lifestyle from affiliate marketing, I wanted to take things back to what is it like to start an affiliate marketing business as a beginner. What do you need to do to set up your own affiliate business part-time? So I thought of a 40-day challenge we can do from scratch. I chose 40 days as we start from ground zero. This allows 10 days for setup and analytics, with 30 days as lifetime to measure results against. We will go through ideas, choosing a subject and product to promote. How to set up an affiliate account, deciding on what content to create, where to publish it, and why. Also, we will then track the performance of the business, the sales, the clawbacks, the commissions, and we are going to do this using only organic methods. No paid advertising. Remember, this is a side hustle, so we are only going to use a few hours a day to dedicate to this business. Will this work? We don't know yet, but we're in this together to find out. So, to recap, we'll be working part-time and focusing on organic content-driven strategies. No paid ads, just learning and understanding the basics on one platform. Success might look like earning $200 initially, after the 30 days, but over a year, that could add up to $2,000 plus part-time. And that can be a life game changer. Think of what you could do with an extra $2,000 a year. Our aim is to earn money through affiliate marketing by promoting a product. How do we do this? We need to decide on content creation, find a subject area, choose a medium for promotion, and select a suitable product that meets our criteria. In this first 10 days, we will use our first bit of part-time to accomplish our first task, and that is to find a subject area to promote a product in. To get us going, think, what are people interested in? What problems does our potential audience have? In our first day, we will spend a couple of hours on research to understand our audience better. Remember, a couple of hours only, as this is a part-time challenge. Starting with a blank sheet, we can brainstorm ideas about what people don't like, what problems do they have. What are they trying to get away from? One key area identified is the problem of getting older, not just in the health aspects, but how we look. Cosmetic challenges like wrinkles, fine lines, scarring to the facial skin are huge topical areas. So we could consider products and treatments that address these issues. Thinking about the products in the marketplace that solve the issue of looking older, we have skincare products that address wrinkles and are easy to use at home, as well as a diverse range of other at-home treatments that could be ideal to promote and create an affiliate income from. Remember, although we are looking at this issue of getting older, you can apply these methods to any other subject and products that you want to build your own business. The principles we are sharing are the same. By researching common questions on search engines like Google, Bing, ChatGPT, and YouTube, around our chosen subject of getting older, and the challenges signs of aging brings, questions about treating wrinkles, stopping the signs of aging, and home therapy beauty topics, as returned results confirmed a clear interest in these areas. And, one area in particular, the use of home light therapy masks, to self-treat wrinkles, fine lines, acne scarring, inflammation and more. So this is emerging as a potential product to promote. Further research confirmed that the interest in light therapy masks is still current. These masks are comfortable and easy to wear, making them a popular choice for skincare treatments. So, a little more delving is needed. We analyzed the interest in light therapy over time using search data. The trend shows consistent interest, indicating a stable market for these products. The US is a target market for us, so we further examined the interest in light therapy by sub-region. States like North Dakota, Idaho, and Montana show high interest, providing valuable insights into regional demand for these products. a possible clear choice for us. So, a quick recap. We have identified a market idea focused on combating the signs of aging. We've validated the current demand and found additional benefits of the treatment, such as addressing skin inflammation, acne, and acne scarring. This opens the potential market even wider. With this initial, part-time work, we are formulating our plan to start affiliate marketing in our spare time with our 40-day challenge. We have our idea, market potential, and product idea. So, our next step, in these first setup 10 days will be to look at actually finding a relevant product, checking it works for us, and signing up, and setting up an account to be able to promote the product, and hopefully earn affiliate commissions from it. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified as soon as the next video is out, in the next few days on how to set up our affiliate program and product. Remember, this is a part-time challenge, and what you are learning here, you can apply to any subject or product when setting up your own affiliate business. We will catch up on the next steps, the next video in a couple of days. So subscribe to get first notification. See you then, best regards, Del.